Let's begin the show by telling you how the Indian economy remains resilient despite global economic, trade and geopolitical uncertainties. This is according to an article, State of the Economy in the Reserve Bank of India's June Bulletin. Now, the global economy is in a state of flux, reeling from the twin shocks of trade policy uncertainties and clearly a spike in geopolitical tensions, the article said. Now, in this state of elevated global uncertainty, various high-frequency indicators for May 2025 point towards resilient economic activity in India across the industrial and service sectors. Now, domestic inflation remains with headline inflation remaining below the target for the fourth consecutive month in May, the bulletin said. But Anjali gets us more on this.
The Reserve Bank of India has come out with its monthly bulletin for the month of May, in which they've said that the global economy is in a flux, that it is reeling from the twin shocks of trade uncertainty as well as the spike in geopolitical tensions. Now, this is of course referring to the trade uncertainties in the form of different tariffs and the geopolitical tensions that are shaping up in West Asia. The RBI said that agriculture has showed a broad-based increase in production domestically in India. Domestic prices situation has continued to remain benign and within the range of RBI's threshold. Financial conditions have now become conducive and remain conducive to facilitate the efficient transmission of the rate cuts that have been announced by the RBI to the credit market. Overall, talking about the global economy, RBI said that high-frequency indicators on global manufacturing activity has continued to contract for the second month, again referring to the trade uncertainties in the world. However, resilient economic activity across domestic, industrial and services sector was observed, meaning that India's domestic economy has continued to remain resilient even though globally there are a lot of uncertainties. The RBI has also said that they're seeing a sharp and sustained easing of food price inflation on the back of record crop production in 2024-25.